Alright everybody, it's Aiden, Dad, and Mom, and we have the 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital code of Disney Pixar The Good Dinosaur. Limited edition, only at Best Buy. And here we have the front.
That's a Steelbook.
Limited edition Steelbook, only at Best Buy. Front, side, back. What do you say we rip it open, bud?
That's a good idea.
Alright, buddy. There's our digital code.
Wow.
And our insert.
See the artwork?
Sorry.
Look at the artwork, Aiden.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
Then we have the Blu-ray disc on the top and the 4K disc on the bottom.
Want to see the artwork behind those? Or not?
It's fine.
Okay.
Alright, I think she's ready for the shelf.